And the next stop is National Museum of Nuclear Science and History. So, spent here a couple hours and looking forward to it. So we drive a little bit northeast from here, we get to Santa Fe, and then about half an hour I think is Los Alamos, where they actually developed the atomic bomb and then dropped it at Trinity site. Further south, we drove by that White Sands missile testing area. Oh, guy got seen. Electronic multimeter. Wow. Yeah, nobody obviously knew what was going on. No, like a Super Fortress. We saw some similar model in Tucson. Sure, you can question the final use of all of this, but I see it from the scientific point of view and the engineering. Good boy. Replica.
You have your back end here. But it's more flat. You are getting
Okay, we have
so you have hash, crazy.
the Fat Man. Oh.
So the center two doors are, yeah, this is a four door on Packard, clever, but they've extended it, and the middle is wood.
Hence the canvas top.
Okay, yep, it goes in between.
This one is an absolutely period correct, model correct, and everything of the vehicle they used to transport the pit for the Trinity test from Los Alamos to Trinity.
So there were selected to transfer the scientists working on the Manhattan Project.
They pulled the last, still fighting.
You can still find that actual detonation site that I wasn't able to tour. And they say it's still radioactive.
So you have this.
So I'm not supposed to touch it. And that's how the flag looked like 10 miles away afterwards.
Japanese warrior, whatever you want to call him.
Gadget was the code name given in the first atomic device tested.
77.
I flew out of there.
Yeah, so he was still fighting.
That's how it looked afterwards. If you show the engineering and everything, the nerd stuff, you gotta show the reality too. It's the radius. Ground zero. Look at that. Nagasaki.
That's
They drop Fat Man. Yeah, I've seen that picture before.
And they still have massive losses because of tunnels and other things.
And in fact, now, even some of the biggest they've got like
Right.
so I have been
Cologne, where I'm from. You can see the entire city bombed into ashes, and only the cathedral is still somewhat standing there intact. Well, they show a video here, but I gotta keep going. Oh well. Lance, short range, mobile guided surface to surface tactical ballistic missile
18-inch culvert
with a fission warhead.
roadway. Yeah, and it's about 6 foot long. And they just set those up.
Follow shelter. Oh, survival kills and rations.
Probably pretty hot.
That's
now here's another way they expect you to. This is a special point demolition now. All of the main were after heavy water.
Okay.
And one place in the world that had water, that was in the country. They sent in a Norwegian team, and they didn't get it.
this is the Minuteman warhead.
The boom is behind the top, hydrate. All you gotta do is get one valve.
Okay.
Blow the entire place. They had to put in a team of demolition experts in the city. They find the guy. Side story on that is, once they go in the underground area, build the deepest part of the work is being done.
Okay, now what exactly is that water? Is that's water that's business done?
A lot of people have this mystery. Heavy water is actually the same old water you see everywhere. Rains is about 15 minutes.
Oh, wow. And it was all set up and pushed into it. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, did they ever launch the way they used to hear about parachuting like something? Were there any other?
There was
They didn't have.
So these are security systems, decoders for the codes, and what was it called again? The bag from the president, the handball or something, where he has his codes in some sort of encryption device, I guess, inside. Berliner Mauer. I remember they very, very vividly when they reunited Germany. That's something you don't forget. Let's go inside. See what they have here on display. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The tower. Check this guy out in a minute. Wow. Hundred-foot tower. There's the gadget. So inside. So it was then shipped in sections to New Mexico, where the Ted Brown's construction company of Albuquerque assembled it. Damn. Final assembly of both Fat Man and Little Boy. Saw that inside. Here's a reference to the plane. Tommy Cannon, tread 80 millimeter. Remember this guy? Yeah. USS James K. Polk. Kind of get an idea how large this thing is. Huge. And now try to imagine the rest of the U-boat. Wow. Look at that. That's that. And then all of this. Oh, is that a hatch? Yeah. Looks like. Yeah, it is. Wow. I mean, I worked at a cruise ship, so ships can be massive today as well, obviously. I'm freezing. I'm going back in. Waste barrels. Shipping containers. Well, that was really cool. Hope you enjoyed this tour. And I'm gonna head out of here. Very cool place. All right, here we are for a final night at Cracker Barrel, which is filling up. Starlink, cool. The internet service, and I let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and the geese are coming much. Yeah. Yes. More cool stuff to come on the road. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and take care, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.